In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary market on your Shopify store. This is an essential skill for any online store owner looking to expand their reach or adjust their market focus, so let's dive right in. To begin, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. The dashboard is the heart of your operations, where you can manage products, check out analytics, and of course, adjust your market settings. From the home page of the dashboard, look for the Settings option. You'll find it on the lower left corner of the screen. By clicking on Settings, you open a multitude of configurable options for your store. Once you're in the Settings menu, you need to navigate to Markets. This section allows you to control where your store operates geographically. As you scroll down, you'll see a list of markets currently set up for your store, along with their current statuses. You want to locate the primary market section, as this is what we're aiming to adjust today. Now, to change the primary market, click on the market you want to make primary. When you click on this market, you will enter the market settings page for that specific region or country. It's important to note that the primary market is essentially the default geographical area for your store and will affect currency and language settings. This will be where most of your traffic and sales are expected to come from. On the Market Settings page, there is an option to set as primary. You need to select this. When you do, Shopify will prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you've intended this change. Confirm your decision, and your primary market will be successfully updated. This is a quick task but can greatly impact your store's operation and marketing strategies. After setting the new primary market, it's a good practice to review currency and language settings to ensure they align with the updated market. Adjusting these settings can enhance customer experiences and improve store performance in the selected region. Don't forget to also revisit your store's pricing strategy, as it may need updates to reflect the economic conditions in the new primary market. Lastly, ensure to save all changes before exiting the settings menu. It's crucial to remember that these changes can take a little time to propagate throughout your store, so be patient if you don't see immediate effects. That's all you need to do to change the primary market in your Shopify store. This update empowers you to strategically target the right audience for your products. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!